Good morning, class. Welcome to Computer System Servicing class. I am Teacher Rina and I will be your teacher for today. I hope you're all doing fine. Our topic will be performing mensuration and calculation. I want you to look at those numbers. Those number plays a vital or an important role in converting the decimal number into its binary digit. And here is the power of 2. 2 raised to 0 will be 1. 2 raised to 1 will be 2. 2 raised to 2 will be 4. 2 raised to 3 will be 8. 2 raised to 4 will be 16. 2 raised to 5 will be 32. 2 raised to 6 will be 64. And 2 raised to 7 will be 128. Now you know from where these numbers came from. Let us continue. According to Bill Gates, patience is a key element of success. So bear with me, class, as we understand our topic for today. Let's gear up if you are ready. Here's what we have to do to convert the decimal to its binary digit. First, you'll have to identify the object or the components to be measured. Next, in binary system, take note of this, that 1 is equal to on or off, or true rather, and 0 is off or false. To read a binary number, get the turn on values only and sum it up. No need to include the turned off values. Always you'll have to start from the right. I will give you an example of how to convert the binary, but first you'll have to understand what binary and decimal is. Binary is the primary language of computer that is made up of only two numbers, which is the zeros and ones, none other. Next, decimal is a base 10 number system, which starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So, here's an example. If you were to get the decimal value or the decimal number 15, and you'll have to convert it into its binary digit or binary format, what you will do, you'll have to begin with number 1. You'll have to double the number 1. That will give you the number 2. Then you'll have to double the number 2. That will give you the number 4. If you will to double the number 4, it will give you number 8. And class, if you will to double the number 8, the answer should be 16, which exceeds the decimal number or the decimal value being asked. So from 8, we'll have to stop here. The combination that we are going to use for us to convert the decimal 15 to its binary form will be 8, 4, 2, and 1. So which of these numbers should be 1 or should be 0? 8 is less than number 15, so 8 should be turned on. That gives us the value 1. If you were to add 8 plus 4, the answer should be 12. So 4 should be turned on, which should give us the value 1. 12 plus 2 will be 14, so 2 will be included, and it will give us a value 1. 14 plus 1 should be 15, so 1 should be included. And here will be the combination of the binary format for decimal number 15. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. You will get 4 ones if you will need to convert the decimal number 15 to its binary form. To give you another example, if you want to convert the decimal value number 10 to its binary digit or binary format, what you will do, again, begin with number 1. You'll have to double the number 1. That will give you number 2. Double the number 2, it will give you number 4. Double the number 4, it will give you number 8. But if you will to double the number 8, the answer should be 16, which exceeds the number 10. So from here, we will have to stop. The combination will be 8, 4, 2, and 1. Now, which number should be turned on and turned up? Let's find out. 8 is less than number 10, so 8 should be turned on. That gives us the value 1. 8 plus 4 will exceed the value number 10. So number 4 should be turned off, which gives us the value 0. 8 plus 2 will be 10, so number 2 should be included. That should be turned on and give us the value 1. So if we are to add 8 plus 2, the answer will be 10. So this one should not be included. We should turn it off, which give us the value 0. From here, you can see the binary conversion of decimal number 10. 1, 0, 1, 0. I hope this explains how to convert the decimal number into its binary format. To give you another way, by subtraction method, so I want you to focus on the screen. Let's start. What are you going to do if you will have to convert decimal number 75 into its binary digit or into its binary format? Again, you'll have to start with 1. Then, by the rule, you'll have to double it up, which give us number 2. If you will have to double the number 2, it will give you the number 4. If you will have to double the number 4, it will give you the number 8. Then, if you'll have to double the number 8, it will give you number 16. You will just have to continue the process until you reach the 75 or this decimal being asked. If you'll have to double the number 16 by continuing the process, we will get 32. If you will have to double the number 32, it will give you 64. 64 is less than 75. Yes, but if you'll have to double this up, it will give you 1, 2, 8. Now, this is the number value that we are going to use to convert the 75 decimal into its binary format. 128 is greater than 75, so let's cross this out. It should be turned off. It is not included. The next number is 64, and 64 is less than 75, so we should write, we should write 64 here. Let us erase this. Okay, we should write 64 here. And let us encircle number 64 because that should be turned on. Now you'll have to deduct 64 from 75. That will give you 11. The next number is 32, which exceeds number 11. So let's cross this out. The next number is 16. Again, it is bigger than 11. So let's cross this out. The next number will be 8. So that should be included. You'll have to add the number 8 here. Then you'll have to subtract the number 8 from 11. You will get number 3. Next, the next number, let us encircle first the number 8 because it should be turned on. The next number will be 4. 4 is greater than 3, so 4 is not included. It should be turned off. The next number is 2, and 2 is less than 3, so 2 will be included. So let us add the number 2 here. And this part, you should deduct the number 2, wherein you will get 1. So you will have to encircle this number 2 because it should be turned on. And here, you will have to add this number 1. And encircle again this number 1 because it should be turned on. Now, whatever is turned on, the value should be 1. 1, 1, 1, and 1. Those which we exclude, the value should be 0. Okay, so here's the combination or here's the conversion of decimal 75 into binary digit. You will have 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, and 1. If you will have to add this, 64 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1, the answer will be 75. I hope that this explains or gives you a better explanation or a better understanding on how to convert the decimal number into its binary digit. That will be all for today, class. And I will see you again next meeting. I hope that you are doing your activity for our asynchronous time, so none of you will be left behind. Thank you, class. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Goodbye.